Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable slow mode in a channel Discord, updated for 2026. If you run a community server, slow mode can slow down conversations, so turning it off can help the chat feel more natural and flowing. Here's a simple, step-by-step way to do it. First, open Discord and head to your server. You'll see a list of channels on the left side. Choose the channel where you want to remove slow mode so you're ready to edit its settings. Next, on mobile devices, long press the channel name to bring up a quick menu. If you're on desktop, right-click the channel name to access a similar options menu. In either case, you're aiming to open the channel's settings. Tap on Edit Channel. This opens the full customization page for that specific channel. You'll see several sections you can adjust, including permissions, topic, and slow mode. Scroll down to slow mode cooldown. This is the control that limits how often a user can post messages in that channel. It's usually set to a number of seconds, like 10 or 30, depending on the server's preferences. Move the slider to the far left. Sliding to the far left sets the slow mode cooldown to 0, effectively turning slow mode off. If you're using a keyboard, you can also click the number and type 0 to achieve the same result. After setting the slider to 0, confirm or save your changes. Discord often applies changes immediately, but some layouts may require you to press a save or apply button. Once saved, you'll notice that messages can be posted freely without any enforced delay. For a smoother rollout, you might want to announce the change to your community. A short message explaining that slow mode has been disabled can prevent confusion and encourage more natural conversations. If you manage multiple channels, consider applying a 0 slow mode only where it's truly beneficial to keep important channels ordered.